customary pee stop in Fort William.
So we've arrived in Portree for Christmas. Good journey, roads were dead, nice and quiet. Hungry. So we're gonna get ourselves organised and a big feat awaits us. Oh yeah!
Oh, thank you.
How old are you today, Marion?
Okay.
How young are you today?
Calum.
Signing off for the night. Portree on the Isle of Skye, Christmas Day 2016, and the weather's grim. It's not very nice at all. What can you do? You can't do anything about the weather, it just happens. So normally you get an amazing view here. Normally the view's spectacular down here, but you can't see jack diddly because of the rain and stuff. But it's getting worse. I'm heading to church now for a Christmas Day service and then back to the house for a big feed. Oh yeah! So the service today is at the church where Claire and I got married 2013, 29th of March 2013. Day I'll never forget. Right, better go, put this way. Church is done, so before I go back to this I'm going to show you something quite cool just now. So this is the venue for the Isle of Skye Games every July. I've never been here on Games Day, but apparently it's amazing. The place is full of spectators, there's a running track all around here, they throw heavy weights, the caber, the hammer, there's going on for. So one day I'll be here on Games Day. I'm getting quite dizzy, so I'm going to stop talking. Right, I sacked my attempt at getting a few time lapses up here. I'm aware of the times, I don't want to get a row on Christmas Day. I get rows plenty other days of the year, but I don't want one on Christmas Day. So I better scoot. What are you cooking, Marion?
Kippers and custard.
What have you got there, Claire?
Nothing.
I'm going to get out of the kitchen before I get a slap. I am ridiculously full. So full and so bloated. Not like Grial. Cheers just now. Okay, so our time in Skye is drawn to a close. We're now going to cross the Minch to my island, North Uist. The weather's still a bit ropey, still a bit rough. Claire's really not looking forward to the ferry journey. I'm under strict instructions not to point this camera anywhere near us. When we get onto the bench, heading straight to the bar for the handy and port for the tummy. Very quick ferry update. The crossing's been okay, not as bad as we thought it was going to be. I'm feeling fine, but Claire's not feeling too good at all. She's not feeling good on the high seas, so I'm feeling quite sorry for her. We're heading tonight for Harbour and then on to Lochmarnie because of the bad weather over the last couple of days. It's had an impact on all the ferry timetables. So far so good. Nearly home. Can't wait.
Claire, how's the ferry? Really? Are you feeling rough? There's no port, but will you drink the brandy? Will I put this away now?
Hallo, mijn goede man. Dat is wat een vriendje. Fijn, dit fijn.
Hey, Christmas.
Hey, Christmas.
Hi Tara.
Hi, gorgeous girl. How are you? Good to see you. Yeah.
Likewise.
Hello Auntie.
Yes.
How you doing?
Yes. Fine.
Good.
Oh, babe.
Achteruit de roken liep ik heen. De voet. Heel gelijk. Dat is goed. Je net maar zo'n zijn kassen. Nou, je leeuwt. Nou, je gedaan.
Stay process out die en ik kan tussen tags hier.
Wel, vind me zo een goede leeuwt. Ik zo een record dat ik heel het kan je zo het passen. Dus dan denk ik moet je department naar hekken. Dan check je uit de buurt. Ik hem hier. Hij schreef met zijn therapie kan je niet zo. Zo hij daar de weg zo je klaar ik zal leren. Hij is net niet dat de woordje department ik vind je kan je goed. Hij hierst. Wil je het paasje kun je knillen. Geef me zijn therapie die hacht wel. Zit ik.
Ga gewoon eens je tierlijk.
Neem me eens je tierlijk. Laat je sabeltje hier zijn weg.
En je loopt zo goed, hè?
En je is goed.
Hi, Skye. Hi. Hi, Skye.
That's Tara. Lady Tara of Malachlet. She's a wee cracker, but she's quite grumpy, she's quite tired, so I'm going to leave her alone. Busy day of visiting and a busy day of eating, had by all. Ready for my bed, it's only like 9:30. So more of the same tomorrow. Busy day of visiting coming up. This is 1 of 5. She's keen. Hello.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
Wat I did? How you doing?
Good.
How are you? I'm good. Good.
See ya.
Is er wat? Come on into the...
Off the coat.
Is er like ice or water in it?
Och, you have a wee drop of water. Thank you. 1 down, 4 to go. How you doing? Good to see you. Good to see you, buddy. Here you go. That's what you call a US house measure, eh? Here on here. Launch over. Righto. See you later. See you later. Cheers. Probably the worst time to call. Mama. Mama. How are you? How's your camera?
No, just like an action.
We're just flying.
I saw the coffee. Oh, thank you very much.
Visit number 4 coming up. Oh, it's an Archie. Right,
Recording?
Yep. Time and use drawing to a close. Claire's driving. I had too many whiskies last night with the doodle. A lot of whiskey all day yesterday. Various visits. I'm not feeling good. Oh no.
Get the tickets.
Sad to be leaving, Claire. Are you looking forward to going back to Skye?
Yeah.
And then to see Rupert and Lexi? Are you quite chatty?
Really chatty.
Hello, Skye, Mum.
Hello.
How are you, mental?
I'm fine, how are you?
Nice to see you.
Are you better?
No. Yes, I'm better, aye. Claire's grandpa's got hens. Lots of hens.
We made it back anyway.
Was it kind of wild?
Alright, don't eat
Coming back with the squish. Momos.
Hey, darling. Hi.
It's a baby.
Hi.
Where is she?
He's here.
You're Mhath.
You better go and do the hands before it's getting any darker. Här är kärka. Jag har föräldrarna visk. Där är ruchet uja sig. Det är mycket skrina.
Oh, nie.
Han har sin hatt. Paga sin ikke till hatten jul.
Father Jewel.
Jag hade den bagaren så att det blir bred så jag vet inte.
They're still warm.
Are they?
Yeah.
Well, left of the turtle.
Smells.
Yes, to the shop. Så att det är ikke.
Ikke helt. Good haul of eggs there. Last night in Skye, hangover's gone, but I'm really tired. I've got no crack and no chat. Skye done, Uist done, Skye done again. Back to Glasgow. Quick pit stop at the Green Welly. It's been a horrible drive, hasn't it, Claire? Very wet. Nothing to see, nothing to show you. So quick pee, then back on the road. Absolutely horrible today. Really not nice. Anyway, back to Glasgow. Oh yeah. Okay, so this has been 7 days in one vlog. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, like, share, subscribe. That would be very good if you could do that. Gaelic for this vlog is Bliadhna Bliadhna Bliadhna. That means Happy New Year. So Happy New Year when it comes, Bliadhna